Candy here from kathyskutekreations. Today I have my confetti box. That's what it looks like. And my helpers are elsewhere, so I'm going to open it. So I've cut the box. There we go. I'm trying to get my tripod a little bit higher. So here's what it looks like when it comes in the package. There's what it looks like. So I'm going to keep it in here so those little pieces of paper stay in the box. So here's what it looks like. Put it on the table. Let's open it up. Let me move you now over here. So let's take this off first. And it says, Confetti Collection, surprise. Inside you'll find some goodies to brighten your day. We'd love to see your unboxing videos. Sort of a welcome and thank you. And then this here, here's some fun ways to use the bright satin ribbon from our sister brand, Off-Ray. Knot it into a belt, bead a necklace, update your shoelaces, embellish a sweater. And then they've got a promo code. Alrighty, so now let's take a look and see what we got in the bag. So we have some really pretty ribbon. Look at that color. Wow. Double face. Huh. And then this is sort of a salmon color. Let me move this pink so it's not clashing with all these colors. Okay, so that's that, the ribbon. There's a keychain, enamel keychain. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it says, yes, in fact, I am a mermaid. That's pretty neat. Wow. That is nice. Very nice. C.R. Gibson. Let's set that down there. An adjustable cozy. So you can use this on your coffee or... Alright, which side is the opening on here? Stick my fingers in there. In this case, they got it on a bottle, representing a bottle. Let's do that. Ooh, they've got some tough Velcro. And I brought my trusty scissors. Actually, I don't know if I want to take that off or not. Maybe I want to give that away. That is nice. I don't know what that's made out of, but that feels nice. Huh. Let's put that aside. What's this here? Touchstones, little touches of inspiration. Molly Hatch. Flourish. Let's see what that feels like. It doesn't really say. Oh, it's a piece of, let's see, is it stuck on there with it? Yeah. So it's a little, well, it's just got a bead of glue on there. And it says laugh. You can make it out there. There's the information. Let's set that aside. It says one enamel pen. Look at that. Let's take that out. Thanks for being awesome is what the message on the inside says. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Boy, that's pretty. Let's check out the pen here. Oh, look. Look at that. That's how you put that on. Wow. And then here's the inside. See, this is your protective sheet that you're going to put on top of the card so that that doesn't get banged up. I wouldn't want to mail that, to be truthful with you. I mean, I know you could. Oh, but I wouldn't want to. There you go. Thanks for being awesome. I think I would rather hand that to somebody. But you put this on the top, and then it'll keep that from being all damaged. But you know, if that went through the machine out at the post office, I think that would be damaged. But you could always put it inside of a package. And then the envelope's really nice. Let's set that aside. And look at this one here. Sunny skies ahead. Look at that pen and glasses. That's neat. And then it says, sending sunshine your way. Let's take a look at the inside and see how that, I bet you it's held on and you put it on the same way. Let's see here. Let's see here. Mm-hmm. Yep. Look at that. In case you don't know how these are used, because you haven't had one, you pinch these two little things right here, and when they pinch in, they release off of that. And you put it, it looks just like that. And you put it back on, and then you let go of it, and they lock it into place so it doesn't go anywhere. Isn't that cute? That is cute. Let's put this one aside. Okay, we got here. And now we have phone charging stand cellmate is what it says. Stay organized and look stylish doing it. And so it shows you how to put it together right here. Let's take it out of here. See if I can take it out of here. I have something to put my cell phone on already that I like. Now this is a hard, this is very hard. They've got it attached here, so I'm not going to be able to do it. I'd have to take it apart, and I really don't want to have to take it apart because I may want to give this. It says, be strong, I whispered to my Wi-Fi signal. That's pretty nice. And then we have a cord pouch. And it is leather. It says leatheretta. So it's got the little pop. I call it the pop top. Well, I thought it did. No, it actually has it's a thick, well, it feels like one of those pop tops, but it's not popping like I thought it would. You know how you make them with the, and it feels just like one of those too. Like the ruler that has the flexibility in it. So you can put your cord in there. Look at that. Stop hashtag abuse. Back it up a little bit so you can see it. Pretty neat. Now I'll lay it all out here so you guys can see it all. Here is what is in the box for the Confetti collection. The 2 cards. Let me see if I can get close enough so that you can see. There's the website if you're interested in checking out the box right there. I'm hoping that light's not too much of a distraction. Let me shut that light off. Continue on since I shut the light off. And there's the cozy, adjustable cozy. And here are the 2 rolls, which I can turn this over so you can see it. It's 1.5 inch by 9 feet. That's the color. It's a really pretty salmon color. It's 1.5 by 12 foot. And that's a really sort of a, I don't know, dark pink. I was going to say chartreuse, but I'm not sure about that pink. And this is what they did with that ribbon, just giving you examples. And there's the cord pouch. So you've got somewhere to put your cords. And here's our keychain. I don't know if we can read that. Yes, in fact I am on my right. Yes, I can. There you go. And there's your tail right there. I hope you like this box, this unboxing, this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you like, and I'll have another one of these. They come out, and when you get on the website, you can choose when they come out, and I try to get them every couple of months. So I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.